Hello, this video has been made to run with our "Is Google happy with your site?" post on the WP Business Club. This will show you how you can use a very simple plugin to add the meta code so Google can verify your site, your ownership of the site, and you can get the Google Search Console data to you. Hello, so we're going to go through the procedure of downloading the Google Search Meta Minimalist plugin and install it on a website, and then we'll show you how to edit it. So I'm going to take it from the article. So I scroll down to the bottom somewhere. I'll see the link here. You'll see a video under this article. That video you can't see yet because it's recording at this moment. That's what we're doing now. So I'll save that to my computer, and it only takes seconds because it's such a small file. Now I need to go to the website where I'm going to install the plugin, and that's the one here. So I'll just go plugin, install plugins, add new. I need to upload it because we've just downloaded it onto our desktop. Tick browse. It'll be in my downloads folder, which could have quite a bit of stuff on it because I'm always downloading things. There it is, the Google Search Minimalist plugin. So I'll click on that and open and install now. Okay, don't activate it straight away. There's no point, because first thing we need to do is we need to make sure it's using your code. So the way we do that is we go back to plugins and we find it. It's called the Search Minimalist. There it is. Okay, and we need the edit button. If we click the edit, we will see the code that makes the plugin. In fact, that's it. That's all there is to the code, and most of it is these comments up here, the heading comments, which you have to have for all plugins. The code of the plugin is very simple, and you can see this here. Replace this with your code. That's what we need to replace. So on another window, I have my entry in the Google Search Console, and you can see that if I click on alternate methods and then HTML tag, it gives me what my HTML tag needs to be. And you can do it either. You can either copy the whole line, or you can just copy the bits you have of the code. It doesn't really matter as long as you paste in what you copied, so if you know what I mean. So I've copied the whole line, so all I need to do is this line here, just paste that over the top. Okay, and then I need to upload file, and you can't see upload file because it's on the edge of the screen. So let me just show you. Whoops. Let me just show you that's still there. Upload file, you see. Update file, sorry, not upload file. So that'll update, that'll take the changes we've made. Okay, so now if I go and view this very boring website, and I go right click and view source, or it could be view page source, it depends which browser you have. And if you have a look, it'll be towards the top, because I've coded it to try and be towards the top of the all this garbage, which is all the gubbins of how your website's built. We should find it. So let's just have a look. It's not there. Do you know why it's not there? Because I've left the stage out. terribly sorry. Let's go back in. Now we've edited the plugin, we need to activate it. If we don't activate it, the code won't work. So we need to activate there. Oh yeah, our plugin activated. Now the code will be there. So if we go right click, if we go back to that view source, and if I just refresh the view source, there, did you see that? Notice that just appearing there at the very top. There it is there. There's our code as we've changed it. So now if you go back to Google Search Console, you can click on verify. I can't because this is the wrong example for the wrong website. But if I clicked on verify now, Google would now be able to verify that. So even if you change your theme, that plugin is going to insert the meta tag, and you need to keep that plugin running all the time to insert the meta tag. Otherwise, Google will think you've lost connection to your site. If, of course, another plugin can do that job for you, you can always remove it. But until then, you are using probably one of the simplest plugins ever made, certainly the simplest one I've ever made, and that will look after your site. It won't update because it's got your code in it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that solves your problems for you. If you want to use it on multiple sites, then fine. Just download it, upload it onto the whatever site you want to use it on. Go into Install Plugins, hit Edit, change the code to whichever site code is given to you by Google, update it. And when you've updated it, you can then activate the plugin and it will then be working for that site. If you put the wrong code on the wrong site, then Google just ignores it. Okay? And that's all there is to it. So thank you very much.
For more info, visit wpbusinessclub.com.